senior leaders are provided with worldwide communications through the Airborne Operations Center. Fleet 1 E-4B is always on 24-hour alert, 7 days a week, throughout the year, providing support to the President, Secretary of Defence, and the Joint Chiefs of Staff. 25th Command and Control Group, based at Otwood Air Force Base, Nebraska, which since 2016 has been part of the US 8th Air Force. In for a flyby for the first time at the European Air Show, the US Air Force Boeing E-4B from the right. Well, now we've seen 747s and Spares before, but never was quite like that. From the US Air Force, without whom, as we were saying, we simply wouldn't be able to stage this show, because it's thanks to them that RIAT is made available every year. It really can't be said enough, and we are hugely grateful for that. Yeah, this really is one of the few locations that an air show of this scale can be conducted within the UK. A runway of 10,000 feet where we do not struggle to operate any aircraft from, and a static display line of about 1 mile where we can park upwards of 250 aircraft there, as well as building a fantastic showground. Do not ignore the manoeuvre that this aircraft is actually conducting. A visual circuit in a Boeing 747 is highly unusual. In the civilian world, they would start their descent at 100 miles, to be on the ILS at 8 miles, descending down to touch, down on the runway threshold. But a visual circuit in an aircraft like this, with very limited sideways visibility, is absolutely outstanding. Beautifully lined up on the extended centre line at 1.5 miles.
Also with all that electronic equipment on it.